Good morning, students. Let's start today's session with the one question. What is the meaning of the following terms? The first term is lustre. What's the meaning of lustre? Then lustre means shine. Lustre means shine. Then what's the meaning of malleability? The term malleability means ability to be beaten into a sheet. It means can be converted into the sheet. Next is sonorous. Sonorous means ability to produce the ringing sound. Then ductility. Ductility means property by which metal can be drawn into a wire. Is it okay? Then first is shine. The first one is luster means shine. Malleability means can be beaten into a sheet. Sonorous means having ringing sound. Ductility means can be drawn into a wire. Can be converted into a wire means can be stretched. Okay, the next is today we will do the comparative study of the properties of metal and non-metal. We will do the comparative study. Now see, the first property is luster. And in previous videos, I told you all these property of the metals. Now we will do the comparison between the metal and non-metal. The first is property, and second column is of metal and third column is of non-metal. Then see one by one. The first is luster. Then all the metals have luster and non-metals they do not have the luster except the iodine and graphite. Iodine and graphite are the non-metal which have the shine. It means which have the luster. Is it okay? Then next, hardness. All the metals are hard and non-metals are not hard. They are mostly soft. In metals, the exception is sodium and potassium. All the metals are hard except the sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium are soft and they are too much, even they are too soft to be cut by the knife. With the help of the knife, we can cut sodium and potassium metal. These are too much soft. The next is non-metals are not hard, but two non-metals one non-metal is there which is very hard. It is the diamond is very hard and it is non-metal. Next property is the we have covered these two. Third one, malleability. I told you earlier also, property due to which substance can be beaten into a sheet. Then metals are highly malleable. These are highly malleable and non-metals are non-malleable. They are brittle and they will break into the pieces, and metals can be converted into the sheet except zinc and antimony and arsenic. These cannot be converted into the sheet. Next property is the ductility. Then property by which the substances can be drawn into a wire. Then see, metals are ductile and non-metals are non-ductile. Except in metal, zinc, arsenic and antimony all are ductile. And in the non-metals, except carbon fiber, all are non-ductile. Now next is the conductivity. Metals are good conductor and non-metals are bad conductor, but exception is there also. Then in the metals, bismuth and tungsten are two metals which are the exception. Now see, in the non-metal, graphite is very good conductor. It is a very good conductor. Then see next, state. Then metals are mostly solid. Metals are mostly solid except the mercury and gallium. These are the exception. Otherwise all the metals are solid. The non-metals, they may be solid, liquid and gas. They may be formed in the three states. Some may be liquid, some may be the solid and some may be the gaseous. Now once again we can see in short. The first is luster. It means metals are lustrous and non-metals no luster. Hardness, metals hard, non-metals not hard. Malleable, these are malleable, these are non-malleable. Ductility, metal ductile and non-metal non-ductile. Conductivity, metals are good conductor of heat and electricity, whereas non-metals are bad conductor. State, metals are solid, whereas non-metals are solid, liquid and gas. And other are the exceptions. Is it okay? Then this is enough for today. Thank you.